Good morning again, and welcome back to the Backpacktrader training room. Crude oil inventory report session for Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. Right, that's the last of our sessions today. Full crude contract on Spotlight, 8-cent momentum bar, 8-tick range bar, depending on your platform. On the upper left is unleaded, 20-tick range bar, also on Spotlight, or 0.002 momentum bar. Lower left is counterpunch, full crude contract on the 377 tick chart. Looks like we got setups on all three market or all three charts there. We're certainly looking for new setups. Don't necessarily want to have. In fact, I don't want to have a leftover setup from before the report. So we'll look for new setups on all of these. Not going to get in sync with pre-report trades. We want to work with the price action after the report comes out. All right. 45 seconds till the report comes out. Eight, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, and there's the report. And kind of what I expect, what I was afraid of actually. Crude has been pretty active this morning, so it really wasn't much of a range on that report coming out. So far, really tight. Still in the reaction zone. Or reaction time frame, anyway. Wait 2 minutes. The reaction range continues to open up a little bit. $77.29 to $76. Now dropping down below $76, $77 mark. 76.94. All right, there's our trade window. Looking for a new setup. I'm not going to get in sync with the short that it's currently in. Unleaded gone too far for that one to be valid. So looking for new trades on all three markets or all three charts. Yeah, Crude seeming to be pushing down. Okay, 377 tick chart stops out, so it's flat, looking for a new trade. Spotlight Crude still in the earlier short, as well as unleaded in an earlier short. .377 tick chart in a chop zone. There's the dots on the histogram. Squeeze zone filtered long trade on unleaded. Spotlight Crude trade is off the table anyway because it just hit money management. Possible short? No, there's a short trade and just triggered in on the 377 tick. That did not get to the money management, it doesn't look like. Money management is a couple of ticks beyond target, and there's a long trade now. We did. Actually, that would be a stop and reverse, so we stay in the short. Okay, we did trigger into the short. There's money management. Stop comes to 94. Target is up here at 77.06. Let's see where we are. Okay, stopping out on the trailer at 76.98. That is a partial win. Looking for another trade. Long trade on Spotlight. That has not triggered in yet. Right back into the reaction range. Unleaded had a short trade, did not trigger, and a long trade that was filtered. We have had a partial win on the 377. No trades elsewhere. Possible short on the 377 and unleaded. I would probably move that down one more tick on unleaded. Make that 93. And triggers in anyway, it looks like. Yep, we triggered in anyway. And we also triggered in on the 377. There's our money management level. That's our 10 tick minimum right there. Long trade on Spotlight Crude has canceled. We are in the short on unleaded. Get the other lines other than the entry squared away. So we're short the 377 tick and short on unleaded. Spotlight is flat. Please do say hello in the chat. money management on unleaded and money management on the 377 tick. Not getting a short trade on Spotlight, unfortunately, but on our other two. And target 2 achieved on the 377 tick, so that will put us to power quitting on the completion of this trade. And there it stops out. Target 1 traders are going to be POQ. Target 2 still looking to get there. A couple of ticks on the trailer. Actually, 1 tick beyond our adjustment. So we're looking for target 2 right there. We've worked through the 200 EMA. 377 tick is done. And unleaded, getting a break-even trade for target 2 traders. Target 1 traders are done. Stopping out on the trailer. At 91. So picking up 2 ticks on each position for target 2 traders. 4 ticks, you're +4. Need a target 2 win or another break even to end the session. Good morning, Jim. Certainly. That's pretty much the standard chart that we run in Spotlight. It is the standard chart that we run in Spotlight. Move this where it's kind of out of the way of the. I can see what's happening with unleaded and the Spotlight charts. Five bars for setup, 2 cancel bars, 2 ticket offsets, entry and stop. Targets at 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. This is a setting that I'm running the old Spotlight calculator. It still has the minimum target 4 ticks in it. The newer one doesn't have that. Money management at 0.9x. Minimum ticks for money management is 10. Yeah, it should be exactly the same as yours. This is our standard default crude chart. Two tick trailer. One tick break even. We're not using add-ons, but we're using everything. We're not using D05 setup, which is the trade-off of the 200 EMA. And I wouldn't expect TradeStation chart to be exactly the same as what I'm getting from my data provider on NinjaTrader. And it doesn't take but a tick or two here and there to change the chart. Unleaded into another short trade that's got money management, so that's going to be power quitting. For the unleaded target 2 traders. This is a major key level adjustment for the stop, and I would honor that, keep it at 51. Now, you got the 50 and the 200 at 40, 98, and 98. Okay, you got 200 at 98, and the setup at I'm sorry, you got the 200 EMA at 49 and the setup at 49. I'd push that down to, I would say, I would have probably pushed it down to 47, but it's going through anyway. And so I would actually have my stop at 46. And we're now looking for target 2. Except looks like, oh my. Now we're going to be done either way. Target 2 is 24001. And what did we get down to? Low of 4002, yeah. That would have been a take profit zone. But we stopped out at break even anyway, so that's going to be finished. So we still don't have any trades on the spotlight chart. So either let's see, we got as low as target 2 was worth 48. We got within 1 of it. Say we got 45, 46 ticks out of the trade if you traded for profit, 2 ticks if you didn't. D06 is the trade off of that's that dark blue trade off the 20 SMA, dark blue line. That is a part of our standard trade plan now. There's a long trade that just triggered in on Spotlight. $76.71, yeah. I might push that to 73. In fact, I would push that to 73 if you didn't already get in it. And it pushes through it anyway. Manage my trade here. And there's money management. And target one. So I didn't get my target moved in where it belonged. And stopping out at break even. I'm not doing very well managing the trade on sim chart here. And yeah, there it goes out on break even. But that is the power of quitting. Target should be, you should have gotten target one. What was target one worth? 13 ticks. So 14 ticks on the session. Not huge. It's a positive session. And we move on to tomorrow. That completes all three charts. Any other questions? All right. Nobody asking any questions or making any comments for discussion. We have a new short setup, but that's going to be outside the trade plan because we are power quitting. You're quite welcome, Jim. And we will be back in here 9:30 tomorrow morning. Regular session. Everybody have a good rest of your day, and we will see everybody tomorrow. Everybody have a good one.